I'll show you. Finger. You fold them already. That's good. You fold. You did, and then you fold 1. See, 2, 3, and you see my finger. See this finger? Like a hook, and you around 1, 2. You see? And then you have a 3, and then you go cover here. Okay, undo it. And you do it yourself.
Oh no.
For fun.
Okay.
She did it really fast.
Yeah, really good. Use that finger like a hook. Yeah, hold it.
Okay.
More tighter. Yeah. And you lift the back up. Lift the back up. Yeah, 1. Yeah, 2. Hey, very good. 3. Tight. You feel tight. Cover. Yeah, and then the other one cover to the other side.
What's that?
Let's cover them. Oh, this one, the one that is come out from your finger, right? You know, because when you cover the one that you swing already, you make sure this part stay, and then you can go cover the other. Like,
Okay.
because you almost, you got it. But don't use the back. Do not cheat. out first.
Okay.
Like this, out. Okay, here, you did good. Look, finger. 2. See? 2.
Okay.
You almost there. You very good. Almost. Okay, when I eat with rice, so the curry has to be a little bit hot. I know you don't eat spicy. Try. I think this is very mild. We try.
That's amazing.
It's okay, you like it? And then when you eat, you have a
I'll do.
There you
And
go.
you did it!
I think
Good
so.
job!